another video. So today we are still going on the trip. And which side is Dimappur now? Something is written up there, Nagaland, something 25 kilometers. We lost someone because we are so confused.
So let's just go straight.
Okay, let's see where we'll reach. So it is 10:46 a.m. We reached Kohima at 8 a.m. and then we took a bypass and it is almost 11 and we are still lost. We haven't reached Dimappur.
Oh भैया, ये road Dimappur जाता है? Thank you.
So mom asked the guy and he was like, okay, yeah, here we'll go.
He was like, huh?
So he was like, huh?
He was like, huh?
Huh? He said, huh?
He was on the phone. And he was like, huh?
So we'll just take it as a yes. Welcome to Gaili Village. Hey, Gaili Village. If you know this Gaili Village, comment down below. This type of trees are famous in Assam. So it has started already. Teak.
Teak, yes.
Ah, so this is teak. So this is Gali Village. Village area, drive slow. Okay. So this is Jalukki. Oh, they have dustbins everywhere. Nice. This is Baptist Church of Gali Village. What a lovely village in the middle of nowhere. So we passed the village. We are out of the village now, and this is the final bridge of the village. So here is a small confusion again. There are 4 ways and we don't know where to go. So we are
just go straight.
we're just going straight. There is a Gorkha Baptist Church here. Holy! This village has a Gorkha Baptist Church. This is awesome. It says JLK 19 kilometers, Jalukki 19 kilometers from here. So I hope we are going in the right way. Which village is this again? Like, is it the same village?
No, Goa village.
Goa village?
Yeah.
Oh,
Dimappur, Kohima.
Dimappur to Kohima. Okay, so it is written here.
Dimappur
this way.
Kohima.
Kohima that way. Alright. Thank you so much whoever put up that board. You guys are awesome. So many small villages before we reach Dimappur. And the villages are clean here. Chotan is very hungry, so his mind is going everywhere.
It sounds like grrr.
Grrr. Goa village is clean, guys.
Bro, where did you think Goa village?
You said Goa village. I literally thought it was Goa village because you said it. I was just pranking on me, guys.
Goa village. Okay, nice name. We discovered one village.
Goa village. Oh my.
Goa village. Yeah.
No problem, guys. It will be Goa village from now on. Fish and chicken, they are fresh.
Walwa village.
Yeah, Walwa. Nah.
Nang Walwa or Nang
I don't trust you anymore.
No,
See, Dimappur this way.
Walwa. Mal or Nang Walwa.
I don't trust you.
See, NGWAL. How should we pronounce that? Walwa.
Goa village. We just crossed Goa village.
And we are passing Walwa village now.
Walwa village. Alright.
So guys, this is somewhere in Nagaland. Walwa village.
17 kilometers more for JLK, Jalukki town. Jalukki town.
Jamuli, Kashmir.
JLK, Jamuli, Kashmir. Alright, so here's a small checkpost. It says stop, but we won't.
Oh, this is Peren district.
Yeah. So we just entered another district. Palen district. Peren. We just entered Peren district.
I have a friend from
Peren.
Yeah.
Ah.
Wow.
Wow. This is nice. Very in the middle of the jungle. This place is very nice. Welcome to Kievi village. Kievi
village, we are coming.
So we still don't know how far is Dimappur, and
But I think
we are hungry already, very much. And this is the first speed breaker of the village.
Waiting set KAV village.
KAV, this is the KAV village. There's a church, and yes. Oh, I think we can eat food at Jaluki.
Where's Jaluki?
The 8 kilometers. So Jaluki is 8 kilometers away. So let's not wait for Dimappur. Let's go and eat food at Jaluki instead. It's 11:30 a.m. We started off our journey at 4:30. We woke up at 3. Since then, we only had one roti each.
Yeah. So because of the road condition.
Yeah, it's because of the road condition. Otherwise, we would have reached Dimappur like at around 10 a.m.
Yeah.
The road never seems to end, guys. What the dusty road it is.
The endless road.
The endless road. Wow. I think vehicle fell down from here because there's a crane. Wow. The road is so deadly, guys. Crazy. You can see the road in front, guys. It is all damaged. And it is like this all the way. In some places the road is nice, but mostly it is like this only. Everyone is tired. Check their faces.
Huh?
Sanjay was tired. Everyone is exhausted.
I'm hungry, not tired.
Hungry and tired all at the same time. So guys, if you want adventure, you want to travel, not now. Make sure the road is good, otherwise you will end up getting tired, hungry and angry and frustrated. Oh, again dust. Oh my goodness, when will the road end? Ah. We cannot ignore the road, guys. Terrible.
Guys, we've been in this road for 2 hours.
Yeah.
More than 2 hours.
More than 2 hours in this road and
in this condition.
yeah. Condition 0.
Guys, if you ever plan to go to Nagaland, please cancel it. Please cancel it.
So if you ask me, I can describe the whole road in one word. Khatam. It is just khatam.
Much later.
So I don't know where we reach, but we reach somewhere. Guys, now we have to cross the river. Wow. See, we are under the bridge. We are crossing the river. Wow. We just did a river crossing. Wow. So because of the water, there's no more dust. So we can roll down our windows. We have been exhausted with the windows up, tired. The happiness didn't last long because it is dry right from there. Oh, if you're ever told to go through a bypass, don't go. Please don't go. Just wait. Sabar karo. Look at the road, guys. Oops. The board says Dimappur 27 kilometers. When we entered the bypass, it was 26 kilometers.
That was Jaluki.
No. It was like 27 kilometers, and then we had like 1 hour, and then I said 2 minutes for 1 kilometer, and then we went through the bypass. We went around, and then now it says 27 kilometers to Dimappur. So we went a longer way, and then holy, at least now the road is good. See, the road is good, so hopefully we will reach early.
A few inches later.
Guys, a strange thing happened. We were on the road to Jaluki. It was just 7 kilometers more, and then we never reached Jaluki. Instead, we're about to reach Dimappur. Jaluki is lost on the way. The lost city. It's like Wakanda. There is, but you cannot go.
So guys, if you know my location, please tell me.
Oi. Ah, that is your location. So there is a gate in front of me. I don't know what it says. I can just read Wolo.
Wolo, Wolo.
W-O-L-O, Wolo.
Wakanda forever.
Sixth Wolo. V Wolo or sixth Wolo, I don't know. And the time is 12:30. Nepal Society. So we are, I don't know whose place is this. I think this is Nepal Society. Dema. We are still inside Nagaland, guys, because it ended with Ma.
So guys, this is my
So you guys must be frustrated watching the road. Just imagine how we are feeling right now. We have been seeing the road.
How are you feeling right now? Everything.
We have been seeing the road for hours and hours. Some good roads, some bad roads, some are terrible road. Some are Khatam road. So now we are at Chumuke Dema, which is still Nagaland.
No, Chumuke Dima.
Chumuke Dema. So the road here is good as compared to the one in the bypass. Little Flower High School, guys. Hey, guys, if you're a student of Little Flower, comment down below. Chumuke Dema, yay!
If you're a student of Saint Joseph.
Saint Joseph, where's Saint Joseph? Oh, guys, if you're a student of Saint Joseph Higher Secondary School, comment down below.
Saint Joseph and Little Flower.
Yes, we will be waiting for the comments, guys. So, Chumuke Dema said thank you, visit again. And there's a nice gate.
Dimappur.
I think we reached Dimappur. Is it Dimappur?
Yes, yes.
Yay! Guys, we are here in Dimappur. Yes! It says the mobile repairing Dimappur. Awesome. Alright, now let's go and find Rice Hotel. Oof, finally, guys, we are here at Dimappur. The long awaited Dimappur is here. Ah! Thank God.
Dimappur. After 7 hours.
Yeah.
After 7 hours. Yeah, after 7 hours.
After freaking 7 hours. And
After
the time is
7 hours.
12:45.
And so guys, this is Dimappur Road.
Time is 12:45. So here,
And now
this is
we're going to
Dimappur.
search for a hotel.
Yep, absolutely.
Hey, that's a Dimappur girl. Dimappur boy. Hey, Dimappur LLPL.
So we just reached Dimappur. The next vlog will continue from Dimappur. So stay tuned and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss the next episode, because the next episode will be interesting. I will not show much roads anymore because there's a lot of beautiful things to show from now on. So we'll catch you up in another video. Till then, take care, guys.